Today's video, I will show you how to make this beaded bracelet for men. This is very simple and very easy to make. So let's start. So our materials are Miyuki quarter tila beads, and then delica beads, 11 delica beads, magnetic clasp, 4 pounds of fire line, and you also need needle, beading needle, and scissor and flat nose. So let's start. We'll pick 4 delica, 4 delica and magnetic clasp, 4 delica, 3 quarter tila beads, and pull it down like this. Pass it once again to make it more stronger. And knot them. Just like this. Pick 2 delica, pass the needle here to this upper hole of this 1 quarter tila bead. Pick 2 quarter tila beads, and then pass to the next tila beads. Like that, and pick 2 tila beads. Like this. Like this. And then pick 2 delica, pass the needle here, and go back here. Outside. And then pick 2 delica, and then pass the needle here to these quarter tila beads, like this. And then pick 2 quarter tila beads, and pick this one, pass the needle here, like this, and pick 2 quarter tila beads, like this. So we are exiting here, pick 2 delica, go to this hole, insert the needle to this hole, and go back here. Don't pass the needle to the delica beads. Okay. Give it some pull. I want them to close, these two quarter tiller beads. So let's make more pull. And pick 2 delica and pass the needle here. Pick again 2 quarter tiller beads and pass the needle to these 2 quarter tiller beads, like this, and pick 2 quarter tiller beads, pass the needle here to this hole, pull. Make sure that they are close. Then pick 2 delica, pass the needle here, and go up here. Like this. So we are continuing this process until we reach our needed length. So I will do it once again, and pick 2 delica, pick 2 quarter tiller beads. You can use any color. What is wrong? Give it some pull and pick 2 tiller beads. Pick 2 delica. We're exiting here and we will pass the needle to this hole and go to this one. Okay, it's very simple and very easy to make. So I will be back if I will reach my needed length. So we are on the end part, so we'll pick 1, 2 delica and we will insert the needle here. One quarter tiller beads, and then 1 quarter tiller beads, like this, and then pick 2 delica and pass the needle to this 3 quarter tiller beads, and then pick 2 delica, pass the needle here one more time, here. Go here and pick 4 delica beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this magnetic clasp, and then pick 4 delica, and then reinforce them. We will knot that and finish our project for today. So I will knot them and finish our project. So I'll cut this and burn. And it's done. This is our bracelet for today. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this beaded bracelet for men. So you can use this design to make your own bracelet. So thank you for watching. Bye.